Today I'm going to show you protein-rich, fiber-rich paneer pulao. The ingredients are 1/4 cup broken wheat paneer, half teaspoon ghee or butter, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half cup vegetables of your choice, and salt. Make sure dalia or broken wheat are rinsed with water and drained. I've taken carrots and green peas. You can take beans or zucchini, any vegetable, cumin seeds for seasoning, and cubes of paneer or grated paneer. Take butter or ghee in a pan. Once it is warm enough, add cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are rich in iron and they're very good for digestion. So I try to include cumin seeds or roasted cumin seed powder in baby food. Once they start spluttering, I'm going to add dalia or broken wheat. Broken wheat is rich in fiber. Stir it for 1 or 2 minutes and then add paneer cubes. Paneer has a lot of proteins. And you can add vegetables of your choice, like babies like corns, zucchini, asparagus, beans. You can change vegetables every time you make it. So add vegetables, stir it, add salt, and I'm going to add about 2.5 to 3 cups of water. Cook it on a medium heat for about 20 minutes. You can check in between if you need more water. So I don't like to make it too dry, so this is the right consistency I like for children. So once your children gets used to eating dalia taste, as they are growing, you can add different vegetables. This is the basic recipe. You can add different spices. You can add cilantro. Sometimes you can top it off with basil, lemon juice, just sprinkle some cheese. So make it different each time, and you can make it spicy as they are growing. Today I'm going to add butter. You can top it off with butter or ghee. And it's very healthy. It has a lot of proteins and fiber.